Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send profile of anyone on your account on Snapchat to anyone. Easy and quick. First, uh, choose any shot you want and hold on it like this, and here you will find send profile to. Click on it, and here you can share this profile to anyone, and that's it. That's how to share profile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.